Hello, this is Africa. Welcome back to This is Africa. And now let me take you to this section, and we are going to look at the section that is between Haile Selassie Avenue roundabout heading all the way to Kenyatta Avenue roundabout. And we are going to look at the construction of sidewalks that are being constructed here. And we are going to start with this side, and this is the side of Uhuru Park. And here you can see what they're doing is that they are creating sidewalks that are similar to the one that I have been updating you on when it comes to this road A104. Remember, the sidewalks that I have shown you lately have all been constructed along Uhuru Highway and Waiyaki Way, but I do believe that other sidewalks are going to be constructed along Mombasa Road. And this is when we talk about this road A104 that is going to be hosting Nairobi Expressway. And the reason why these sidewalks are created, it is because of the damage that was done whenever the Nairobi Expressway was being constructed. And a lot of people have suggested that the repairing of this road A104, and that is Waiyaki Way, Uhuru Highway and Mombasa Road, should not be taken lightly. And we have seen that they are repairing this road when it comes to recarpeting some areas or even creating sidewalks like the one that you're seeing here. So this is the side of Uhuru Park, and you're also going to concentrate on the other side of Parliament so that we can see what they're doing. So when it comes to this side of Uhuru Park, by the way, they have started from the section where, if you remember, I had updated you on the construction of a road that was coming from Processional Way all the way to Uhuru Highway. So the section where this sidewalks is being created is very small on this side, because a huge section have been taken by this road that is heading all the way to Kenyatta Avenue. So what I believe they are going to do is that they are going to construct the sidewalks once Uhuru Park is renovated. Remember, the Uhuru Park is covered for the renovation. So I do believe once they reopen Uhuru Park, maybe the sidewalks are going to be moved off that side of Uhuru Park so that they can serve both of this road that are going to be side by side. And this is Uhuru Highway, and this new road that I did update you that is going to be useful for the Green Park bus terminus. I would like to thank my members, and that is Asma, Majid and McDonald, who really do support me. If you'd like to become a member of this channel, all you have to do is click the join button, and you can choose the membership level that you're comfortable with and that you can support me with. So when we go to the other side, and that is the side of Parliament, what they're doing there is not that they're not constructing new sidewalks like we have seen lately. What they're doing is that they're repairing the existing sidewalk that was there. Anybody who had walked along that side, and that is the side of Parliament, whether you're coming from Haile Selassie Avenue heading all the way to Kenyatta Avenue or vice versa, you will know there were some sidewalks that were there. So what they're doing is that they're just putting new curb rows along that section, and that is the curb rows that were damaged during that period or even before. They are being removed and being replaced with the new curb rows, which are similar to the one that were existing along that section. This is different from what we had seen earlier, where we had seen coming from Haile Selassie Avenue and connecting to this Uhuru Highway, that is as you're heading toward Kenyatta Avenue. Remember, I had done a video of that section, and we had seen that they had created a new sidewalk. So that new sidewalk is going to add the Halabi Avenue. And then after that, they're going to connect to this one that they are repairing. So that is what is happening. So that is what is happening when it comes to the construction of these sidewalks and the renovation of these sidewalks. So I'll come back to show you what they have done after they are done with this area. So guys, comment on the comment section below so that you can give me your opinion on this particular area, or what do you suggest. Anything that you'll comment is going to be appreciated. So thank you. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. So guys, this is the section that I was trying to explain to you, that after that we are going to take a turn to the left. This road is not